What's going on, guys? Today we are test fitting my new wheels for the FRS. So the first thing that I'm actually going to do is take this wheel off and take the brakes off here and go have this rotor resurfaced. It's been making this noise when I'm stopping. It's just like a really loud, it's just like a brakes sound. Like I think it's uneven because like the brakes touch there and then it rolls there, but it's a really loud noise. It almost sounds like the brake shield, but it's not the brake shield. So something with the rotor. I'm gonna go have it resurfaced and then that sound should be gone. But we're gonna go ahead by starting and taking this wheel off. And sorry if I sound really bad, I'm actually pretty sick right now.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet.
Okay, I'm back. They would not turn my rotor this time. On the front, she said that the way that they're made OEM, they're like two pieces merged together, and they are not allowed to turn those for liability reasons. So I got one of these guys right now. A little aftermarket one, cost me 45 bucks. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on, and then we'll be good to go. I forgot to hit record, but the rotor is on now. Brake pads are on. And we're gonna go get two wheels and mount them on and see what they look like on this side. Okay, so I've already opened this box, but all the other ones are unopened. There we are, look at that. These are Radiate R8 S5s. 18 by 9.5 plus 35 offset, I believe.
You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around.
Alright, my phone's about to die. But here's what they look like. From the back, you can see that once I have the coilovers on, the fitment's going to be really, really nice. And then here's the front. And there's the front from that angle. And then we'll pick back up on this once I have the tires on these. What's up, guys? So I meant to record way more than I have, but I got the wheels on the car. I got the coilovers on, which you saw in the previous video. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car out into the sunlight so you can see exactly what it looks like. All right, so here it is with the new wheels. Honestly, it looks awesome. So the coilovers are exactly where they were when I put them on. I haven't adjusted them at all yet. This is what the previous owner had them set at. So they will go probably a little bit lower. That's sitting kind of high just because of the way the driveway is. You can see if we go over to this side, exactly how it's sitting. So probably go maybe like a 1/4 inch lower or so, 1/2 inch at the most. And the next thing that we're going to be doing, I believe, is putting the side skirts on and the front lip. I got to paint those and put those on, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I really love these wheels. I've been getting tons of compliments pretty much everywhere that I go, and I'm really happy with the way they turned out. So if we look here, you can see the front fitment is pretty good, right on point. I don't have to roll the fenders or anything, nothing rubs. And then in the rear, maybe we'll see once I lower it more. We'll go to this side since it looks a little lower right now. But that's the rear fitment. Same thing, very perfect. So the specs, I believe I mentioned them earlier in the video. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 35, I think. If that's different than what I said in the beginning of the video is correct, because I forgot. So much more planned for this car in the future. If you want to see more mods and things like that, I plan on putting an exhaust on it and doing a few other things to it. Just make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And also, if you are watching for Civic videos, which I know most of you are, there's more of that coming in as well. So we're doing the engine build. That's going to be within the next few videos here. Next video that I'm posting is going to be rear camber arm install. So you'll get to see how to do that on a Civic if you have one. And we're going to be painting the engine bay, probably doing a wire tuck and a brake line tuck and an evap canister delete. So I'll show you how to do all that stuff. I appreciate it if you guys like and subscribe, but thank you for watching. Peace out.